Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I have a whole new haul here from the Washi Tape Shop. I am now an affiliate with the Washi Tape Shop, and they are actually having a big sale for the month of August for back to school. So I'm going to show you some of their new washi tapes, but also this new journal here. Let's get started. So this here is the Washi Tape Mahogany Bullet Journal, and it comes with, and I'm just reading the description here, it has a durable PU cover, and it's got a dot grid notebook inside. So the notebook is actually part of the cover. There's a back pocket in here as well to keep your items, the Washi Tape Shop logo here, and then we've got bookmarks as well, and then you can see it is dot grid. I do want to do some quick testing in here, actually just on the back, to see how it performs with, let's say, fountain pen ink. So the first test I'm going to do, let's zoom in, is how well it does with my Pilot Vanishing Point. This has an extra fine nib, and it has Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi, and you can already see that there is some what is it called? Not chatting, it's bleeding, and it's the spreading of the ink. This is Takesumi. So how is it performing in the back? There's shadowing, not a lot of bleed through, but there is spreading of the ink, and that's with an extra fine nib. So I want to try, I've got here, actually no, let's try my Esterbrook SD. This has an extra fine nib. And yeah, the ink is definitely spreading. And this has Pilot Iroshizuku. Wow, I cannot spell Iroshizuku. Yaki. Here, and yeah, it's definitely spreading. But how is it? There's a little bit of bleed through, some shadowing, but not a lot. So probably not the greatest for fountain pens, but let's see. We've got my Tombow here, and this is mild liner. So let's do a thin line here for the mild liner, or sorry, Tombow brush pen, and how that looks on the other side here. Not too bad at all. And then I'm going to grab my mild liner, these highlighters here. So let's do the pink one, and actually I'm just going to label this the Tombow Dual Brush Pen. And then this here is the mild liner, and what it looks like on the thin line. So this is the mild liner. That's so thick for me. And how they look on the back. Even a little bit of bleed through actually with the mild liner there. So this paper really is more for, really not fountain pens, but more for, let's say, let's see if even how like a gel pen works. I'm going to grab where's my gel pen? Oh, here we go. Oh no, that is not a gel pen. I had a gel pen and now it's gone. So here, just a quick gel pen. So how does this react to the paper? No spreading or anything of the ink. And how's it on the other side? Not too bad. So with a gel pen, it works well. There's going to be some spreading of the ink with fountain pen ink, and it doesn't seem to be doing too badly with your Tombow or your mild liner either. So it's got 120 GSM paper. For me personally, probably not my favorite type of paper. It's not smooth like Tomoe River paper or even Rhodia or anything like that, but definitely good if you don't use fountain pens. You can certainly use just your, for example, Hobonichi Techo, the Uniball Jetstream. Is that even in screen? Uniball Jetstream. And yeah, that one, absolutely fine. So that's just a quick pen test here for this journal. I think I would actually use this more for like sketching rather than writing. Ooh, that's zoomed in. And I would definitely use this more for trying to draw and probably drawing with pencil, or even doing like some light sketching with fountain pen, I wouldn't mind a little bit of bleed through with that. But definitely a really pretty journal. I'm a little questionable about the paper. But if you really just are using this for washi and pet tape and things like that, actually really, really lovely cover. So this is available at the Washi Tape Shop. So now let's look at all the washi. Before we look at the washi, this also came with my order. You can either use Washi Fam 15 or you can use my affiliate link, which I've left in the description below. So here we go. Now I've already unpackaged these because that took ages for me to unpackage last time. So now I'm just going to show you each of these. The first one is going to be Cozy Hour, and it's wide washi tape. And what I always love about the Washi Tape Shop is that you can get them pre-cut. So for this one, whoop, here we go. Making sure I don't peel anything too badly. We've got really pretty, I really like the mood. Oh my gosh, the gentleman with the beard and the bouquet of flowers in his pocket. Just the overall mood of this is really lovely. And all those books. Lovely. And that's going to keep going. Where does it end here with the cats? Oh my gosh, there's so much to this. Where's the end? Oh my gosh, I haven't even gotten to the end yet. Gorgeous. There's so much to this here. That is one. That is really long. So that is the Cozy Hour wide washi. Next we have Purple Muse, another pre-cut wide washi tape. And just look at that. There's so much here. Goodness gracious. Oh, and it keeps going. And it keeps going. When is that going to end? When is that going to end? Think about, no, not yet. Oh my gosh, there. That is stunning. Absolutely lovely. And that one is the Purple Muse. Then we have the Sunday Vibe. And I have to keep these because I'm never going to remember what they're called. So Sunday Vibe. How do I want to do that? Isn't that so pretty? Oh, look at the dog. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You've got cats in there. You've got different animals. So fun. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Not normally my taste, but I'm so glad I chose these. It keeps going. Hold on, keeps going. There we go. I think that, nope, not yet. Not yet. There we go. Gosh, look at that. So that is the Sunday Vibe wide washi. And again, this is pre-cut. Next, we have the pre-cut Violet Veil wide washi. And this one again is absolutely stunning. Look at all those beautiful purple florals. I think you could certainly use this in the fall, in the spring, in winter. Hold on, it's going to keep going here. Iris. Oh, I love this so much. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going. There we go. Lovely, lovely. So that is the Violet Veil wide washi tape. And we have 3 in the Doodle and Vine washi set. So we've got this one here with the vases and the doodle florals. Really lovely. And then the second one here. I feel like this is the one that I could take with me on my vacation, and I would have more than enough to help decorate my journals with. Really pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, definitely. I think I'm going to take this with me when I go on vacation, and this will be just enough to help decorate all of my journals. So that is the Doodle and Vine washi tape sticker set. And last but not least, we have the Tail Waggers washi tape sticker set. These are also pre-cut, and there's 4 in here. So you've got these cuties. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. And then you've got this one. Oh, did I know that? Oh, I did. It's just a little hard to take off, and one came off. That's okay. We've got, oh my gosh, look at the dog with the scarf. These are so cute. Oh, that one looks like Lucy. Oh my gosh. Then this one, again, oh my gosh, another one that looks like Lucy. Oh, these are gorgeous. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then the last one here, these are adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the corgi bum. They are so fun. Oh my gosh. And this is not normally what I decorate my journals with, but I just wanted to do something out of the ordinary for myself. So those are the Tail Waggers washi tape sticker set. So that is my huge haul from the Washi Tape Shop. And just remember, they are having their back to school sale right now, and you can get up to 18% off your entire order. Use my affiliate link in the description below. Let me know which one of these is your favorite, because it was so hard to choose. I love all the Tail Waggers ones, but I also love the cozy sun or the cozy vibes and the Sunday. Yeah, so cute. Oh, so pretty. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.